Hey, how you doing today? Today I got a 2020 Toyota Tacoma, and I'm gonna show you how to change the catalytic converter on this vehicle here. All right, if you come underneath the vehicle, as you can see, somebody cut it out right on there. So I'm gonna just go ahead and replace that for him. I got it up on the alignment rack. I like to work comfortably, so I'm gonna just put it on the alignment rack and just go ahead and raise it up. Take your size 14 wrench. Now go ahead and come right over here onto this here. And just go ahead and loosen those as well. So there's one right here and another one right over here as well. Go ahead and loosen that up. All right, now before removing the volts, you see this here? This is an O2 sensor. So you need to follow it. And you can see it right up here where it's plugged in. Just go ahead and unplug that as well. All right, there you have it. It's off. See, this is the old gasket. And take that off. It's the old gasket. This is what it's gonna look like. You see, I even got to replace the little donut. Here it goes. And there goes the other O2 sensor. It's right here. Just go ahead and unplug that. Next thing you want to do is just go ahead and remove this O2 sensor and just transfer it. Just put it onto this one. So go ahead and grab your standard 22 wrench. Here you go. Same thing for this one. Just go ahead and get it in there nice and tight. See, we got the old one here that was cut out. I removed it. See, it has this gasket. I'm gonna go ahead and put a new one. So all you gotta do is just go ahead and just slide it in there. Okay, you see right here, this is the old gasket that he had. You just want to go ahead and just take that off as well. There it goes. And I got a new one I'm gonna go ahead and put in, which is this one right here. So that's all you want to do. Squeeze it on there and you're good. All right, you want to come over here and do the exact same thing. Just go ahead and bolt that down. And do not forget, most importantly, do not forget to make sure and plug in your O2 sensor up here as well. Just go ahead and tighten them up. Boom, good as new. Check it out.
Brand new, plugged in. Right over here is one, two, and you see the O2 sensor here. It's clipped on right here and plugged in right here.
Well, there you have it, guys. That's the 20 and 20 Toyota Tacoma catalytic converter replacement. If you have any more questions or concerns, just go ahead and write a comment in the comment section, and I'll go ahead and reply as quickly as I can. Thank you for watching.